That's what we're looking for.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Dane County and south central Wisconsin, east central and west county and south central Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of Mount Horeb, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mount Horeb and blackout around 4:55 p.m. Western Madison, and Cross Plains around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Barneveld, Pine Bluff,